Okay, today we're making a super fast thumbnail in Gimp for YouTube. File, new, and this comes up, template. So let's go to a standard 1080p and let's go advanced options and go for a transparent background and do OK. So there we have it. I have already taken some thumbnail photos. I've got 3 to make. Which one shall I do? Which one looks good? That one, or that face looks a bit better on that one. So let's drag that over here. It asks me if I want to keep the profile, and yes. Okay, so layers image, or layers even image, scale image, and let's do scale. Wrong one. Was it layer? Yeah, scale layer, not image. So 1920 scale, which means that image was obviously a larger image. So let's whack that down. Now, what is this video title I'm uploading? Let me bring it over here. This one is, can you use a USB mic with a mobile phone? Yes, you can. And I made a video about it. So let's text that. Let's whack that up a bit. Enter. Remember, thumbnail needs to be whack, wham, bam, strawberry jam. It needs to be straight away to the point. So really, you know what? That should be a mirror. Let's do that mirror. Yeah, because right now I want to put the text on the left side and have the mic there. Let's make that even bigger. Now, what you want to do with this kind of thing for thumbnails, zoom right out and you'll see that still looks like, oh, there's a mic and a mobile phone there. Wow, what's this about? Let's watch it. Okay, V, and let's move that right up there. So I've got some space for some text. We're gonna get a blank layer up there. Okay, put that on top of the image, grab some text, put it over there. What shall we do? Mobile mic, pro mic, select all. Let's make it white. Okay, good size. Good size. I reckon that is a decent size. Now obviously we want to bring attention to that, so let's get a box and go whack, and then fill that with the background color. Edit, fill with background color, pro mic. And there's a mobile phone there, so they know that it relates to that. Let's move that down a bit actually, because I don't want to cover my face completely. And for that channel I use standard colors, which are yellow. So you know what I'll add a bit more on that and do about that much of it, and get my color swatch up. Most used colors, edit, fill with background color, and okay, let's undo that. Let's make another layer because that's mixing it with the black, which I do not want. Edit, fill with background color, and then bring that black above. And let's bring pro mic out a bit like that. Deselect, is that black all the way in? Text, hold alt, rack it out a bit, deselect. Is that okay, boys and girls, for a thumbnail? Pro mic, how does it look zoomed out? Not as good, is it? Let's see the other image. Is the other image any better? That one. Oh, in theory we could do a mix match. What about if I do bring that one in as well and just do like, yeah, see, sometimes you have to play with these things. So let's make that one a bit smaller. That one might look better. Make it a bit more smaller. V, so actually something like that looks a lot more pleasing to the eye, doesn't it? So moral of the story, play with it until it gives you the right. Yeah, that looks, come on now, that looks a lot better than that, because your eye goes straight to pro mic. Or does it? We'll save both out and we'll see what they look like in YouTube. That's how to make a quick YouTube thumbnail in Gimp like a pro. See you in the next one, bad boy. Boom. Strawberry wham bam, strawberry jam.